There are so many AI tools out there right now that it's impossible to keep up. But after a lot of digging, I've found these 8 incredible free AI tools that not a lot of people know about. In this video, I'll take you through each one and explain how you can make money online with them. AI Tool 1. First up is Gamma. This is an AI tool that makes presentations for you. You don't need to fuss with design software or spend all day arranging slides. All you have to do is head over to the website, click on Sign Up for Free, and fill out your details. Once you're in, click on the relevant option for how you plan to use Gamma, like for personal use, then click on Continue. Pick what kind of work you do, like design. Pick what you plan to do with Gamma, like create presentations from scratch and create social media assets. You can say you heard about Gamma from YouTube or wherever you first heard of it. Click on Continue, opt in for their emails if you want to, and now you can get started with generating presentations. You can generate a presentation from a text prompt, from text that you already have, like your notes, or you can import a file or URL to improve existing docs and presentations. Pick the relevant option for you. For now, let's click on Generate. Keep it on Presentation, although you can also use this to create a web page, document, or social media post. Pick the number of cards, like 10. You can make the page style traditional and select your language here. Then describe what you'd like to make. I can type in something like a business plan for selling handmade jewelry to women in their 30s online. Click on Generate Outline and Gamma will give you a breakdown of its presentation plan. You can also pick the design theme of the presentation down here. You can make any tweaks at this point if you want to change anything. For example, you might want to add more specific information to make it more custom. Then click on Generate. You can see Gamma creating the entire presentation with text and relevant images. It's pretty impressive. From here, you can customize, edit, and share your Gamma. So, how do you make money with Gamma? One way is by offering presentation services to small businesses. Plenty of people run shops or services and need slides for things like client meetings or local events, but they're too busy to figure it out. Say you find a guy who fixes cars and wants to pitch his skills to a dealership. You open Gamma, type car repair pitch for dealership, and let it make a rough draft. It might give you 10 slides with stats on car repairs and spots for his prices. Spend an hour adding his shop name, some photos of his work, and a clear call to action like hire us today. Charge him $50 for it. You can find these clients on places like Fiverr or by emailing businesses near you. They get a pro-looking deck and you pocket cash for something that didn't take long. Another way is selling templates online. People are always looking for ready-made solutions. Open Gamma and type Weekly Fitness Schedule for Beginners. It'll build a presentation with exercise tips and spots for a calendar. You tweak it, maybe add a bright color scheme or extra advice, then save it as a PDF. List that on Etsy for $15, like these other listings. Someone training clients or teaching a class might buy it to save time. If you make 5 templates, like one for fitness, one for budgeting, one for meal planning, and sell 10 of each over a month, that's $750. Gamma does the base work, and you just polish it up. If you have any specific questions about this business idea or any of the tools on this list, I made a community where I personally answer your questions and guide you, step by step, to make your first $1,000 online. Inside AI Income Friends, I'll teach you how to master AI businesses. When you join today, you'll get access to ready-made templates, tools, and cheat sheets to speed up your progress. Plus, you'll have my direct support through bi-weekly live coaching calls to make sure that you stay on track. Click the first link in the description and join AI Income Friends today for instant access to everything. AI Tool 2. Next is RunwayML. This tool uses AI to edit videos in ways that used to be a pain. You don't need fancy equipment or years of practice. When you load it on your screen, you'll see a timeline at the bottom for your video, a preview window, and buttons on the side. Upload a clip and you can remove the background without a green screen. Type a few words like space scene, and it generates a short video to add in. The free plan gives you basic edits and a few exports each month. It's all online, so your regular computer can handle it. You can fix shaky footage or add effects, and the AI figures out the hard parts. One way to make money with RunwayML is by editing videos for people online. Creators on platforms like YouTube or TikTok want their stuff to pop, but they don't always have the tools. Say someone sends you a 3-minute clip of them cooking. You drag it into RunwayML, cut out the messy kitchen background, and swap it for a clean countertop look. Add a quick text overlay with their recipe name. It might take you 40 minutes. Charge $40 for that, and look for clients by posting in social media groups or on Upwork. If you do 4 a week, that's $160, and the tool keeps it simple. Another option is making stock footage. Companies need short clips for ads or websites, and you can supply them. Open RunwayML, type calm ocean waves, and it generates a 30-second video. Tweak the colors so it's bright and clear, then export it. Upload that to a site like Shutterstock, where it could sell for a few dollars a download. Spend a day making 10 clips, waves, forests, city lights, and if each gets 10 downloads in a month, that's $1,000. The AI cuts down the time, so you're not filming anything yourself. You can also teach others how to use RunwayML. People want to learn fast tools like this. Use RunwayML to edit a sample video. Maybe clean up a blurry clip of a dog running. Record your screen while you do it, explaining each step, like click here to remove the background. Post that on YouTube for ad money, or turn it into a course and sell it on Teachable for $30. If 20 people buy, that's $600. Showing it on your screen lets viewers follow along, and you profit while sharing something useful. AI Tool 3. Grok 3 came out very recently, so if you haven't heard of it yet, definitely check it out. It's a lot like ChatGPT, but it sounds more human and can process big chunks of information better, in my opinion. Plus, it's free at the moment. You can use this tool in tons of different ways. One of my favorite ways to use Grok is for writing. You just give a prompt like, write a 1,000-word blog post about how to budget as a freelancer. Use clear and easy-to-understand language. And Grok will generate a super high-quality response in seconds. One way to make money from Grok is freelance writing for businesses. Lots of small companies need quick text for their blogs, sites, or ads. Find gigs by messaging businesses on LinkedIn or putting yourself out there on Fiverr. Charge $50 for each piece of content that you write for clients. If you do 3 a day, that's $150, and the tool keeps the ideas flowing. Another method is writing for affiliate marketing. Say you want to promote a camping tent. Give Grok a prompt like, write a 1,000-word review for a tent for family camping. It gives you a draft with features and benefits. Add your affiliate link, edit it to sound natural, and post it on a free blog site. Each sale might earn you $20. If 10 people buy over a month, that's $200, and the tool speeds up the writing. You can also sell pre-written packs. Type, give me an email sequence for an online store into Grok, and it makes 5 emails to hook customers. Refine them with specific deals, bundle them as a set, and sell them on Gumroad for $15. If 20 people grab it, that's $300. Businesses love ready-to-use content, and you deliver without much hassle. AI Tool 4. Lumen 5 takes text and turns it into videos. It's built for people who need fast content without editing skills. Once you're signed up and logged in, look for the option to turn a URL into a video. Then, paste in any URL that you want to be a video, like the URL of this post. Pick your settings and then generate. Lumen 5 pulls stock footage, adds text overlays, and syncs music. You can swap clips or adjust timing, and it's all drag and drop. The free version limits you to 5 videos a month with a watermark, but it's enough to try. One way to make money from Lumen 5 is by creating videos for businesses. A local store might want a quick Instagram ad. You can paste their sales pitch into Lumen 5 and it will turn their pitch into a video that you can edit and then send to your client. You can charge $30 per video. Offer this on Fiverr or email shops directly. If you do 5 a week, that's $150, and the tool does most of the work. Another way to make money is by building an automated YouTube channel. Take a short article like Ways to Save Money and paste it into Lumen 5. Lumen 5 makes a 2-minute video with visuals and text. Post it and repeat the process. When you have enough subscribers and watch time, you can monetize your channel and start getting paid for every video that you put up. AI Tool 5. Next is Notion AI. This is a productivity tool with AI built in. It's not just for notes. It helps you organize and create. On your screen, it's a workspace with pages on the left and a text area on the right. Click on Notion AI and you can ask for all of these things and browse templates too. The free Notion plan includes AI with some limits, but it's solid for starting out. One way to earn with Notion is by selling templates. People want systems to stay on track. Open Notion AI. Type, "Make me a weekly planner for students." Build it out with tables, save it, and sell it on Etsy for $15. If 25 people buy, that's $375. It's a shortcut they'll pay for, and the AI sparks the ideas. Another method is virtual assistant work. Some people need help managing tasks. Use Notion AI to draft their emails or organize their week. Type, "Give me a schedule for a freelance writer," and it lays out a plan. Charge $20 an hour and find clients on job boards like Indeed. 10 hours a week is $200, and the tool keeps you sharp. AI Tool 6. Soundraw makes music tracks from scratch. You don't need to play an instrument. On your screen, you'll see options for genre like pop or jazz, mood, and length. Pick your settings, and it will generate music accordingly. The free plan lets you create unlimited songs but caps downloads. They're royalty-free, so you can use them anywhere. One way to make money is by selling music online. Create a 3-minute ambient track for videos, download it, and list it on Audio Jungle for $10. If it sells 20 times, that's $200. Creators need background audio, and you provide it with almost no effort. Another option is custom tracks for clients. For example, a YouTuber might want an intro. You can charge $30 per intro you make. Find them by posting on X or creator forums. 4 jobs a week is $120, and the tool keeps it fast. You can also license music for ads. Businesses need short tunes. Make a 1-minute cheerful track, reach out to local shops and sell the rights for $60. 3 deals a month is $180. AI Tool 7. Next, we have Perplexity. This is an AI search engine that gives clear answers, not just links. On your screen, there's a search bar at the top and detailed responses below. Type "best ways to market a small business," and it explains strategies with sources. The free version has no search cap, and it's quick for digging into anything. One way to profit from this tool is by offering research services. Someone might need info fast, like a report on 2025 food trends. Type it into Perplexity, get a breakdown, and write a page. Charge $30 for reports like this. Offer the service on freelance sites. 5 jobs a week is $150. You can also sell guides using Perplexity. Type home office setup ideas into Perplexity, put together a 10-page PDF from the research, and sell it on Gumroad for $10. If 30 people buy, that's $300. Showing the search on screen proves it's legit, and you turn knowledge into cash. AI Tool 8. Last is Freepik. This is an incredible AI image generator that has some top-notch free features. Once you're signed up and logged in, head to the image generation section and type in text like "a cabin in the woods with the sunset in the background." Pick your settings, hit enter, and the AI will generate impressive images for you. There are a few different ways you can use Freepik to make money. The first is by offering custom image creation to clients for any projects they might have. You can charge $5 for $10 images and get as many clients as you can. Freepik is so quick and easy to use that it's worth offering this price. The second way to make money is to upload your images to stock image sites like Adobe Stock, where people can download your images and you'll get paid a little cut for each download. Each of these tools cuts down the time it takes to get something done and gives you ways to earn. Try one that fits what you already do, mess around with it, and see where it takes you. Which of these tools have you tried before, or are you thinking of trying? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons while you're there.